that is higher than I. For thou hast been a shelter for me, and a strong tower from the enemy. When my heart is overwhelmed, oh, lead me to the rock that is higher than I. That is peace, peace, wonderful peace, come down from high.
The management team of the Manchester Division and Superintendent Duncan, we want to express our sincere condolence to the family and friends who are mourning at this time. We are working closely with the community, with the citizens here, and we are hoping that we will have a early breakthrough. Investigation is ongoing. Family members, friends, loved ones, community members, we are asking you to help us as we help you to fight this monster crime that has come up on our doorstep. We do not understand the hurt until we feel it. And we must implore each and everyone to be our brother's keeper, to give the necessary information to help us, because we are working assiduously. And in the meantime, we are working assiduously. Please remember to have God as your guide to take you through this time of bereavement. Hoping for an early breakthrough, and we are working to get this crime under control. To solve this crime, we'll be partnering with the communities. We'll be having our community meetings, our widely publicized meetings, and other community activities with the citizens here. So we are imploring that you work with us, and we will work with you to get this thing under control. In the meantime, continue to take comfort in Christ, continue to have him be your guide and your keeper. Have a blessed evening.
Thank you. The people of God and fighting against what is right and what is good. And when we see the things that are happening, and the parents, a lot of it has to do with poor parenting. And we have to find some way to get our parents together and let them understand what it is to make sure that their children grow the way they ought to grow. Because nothing can beat that. When children are grounded and know what is what and know what is acceptable behavior, then half of our problems will be solved. And then when the church comes together and bands together as a force to be reckoned with, and the scammers come together, you know, they come as a force to be reckoned with. I was in my bed one night and they were having a candlelight service for a little young man who died. And when I heard what was happening out there, I felt like coming out of my bed and going out there and talking to these young men. Because they were just carrying on. Bad word after bad word, go to rest in peace to bad word, bad word. And I said to myself, these people do not have any regard for God or man. And if the church is not coming out and going with that force to be reckoned with, then God help us. No longer can we sit in churches and be happy. We need to go out in the community. We need to go out in the community as church and make our voices be heard and make our impact. And not only just to talk the talk, but to walk the walk and to act, to action. Because actions speak louder than voice. You can't see a child suffering and need help, and you walk because he don't belong to you or don't belong to your church. We need to take action. So we need things that happening in our church that can transform lives, not just and grandmother, sister, and all of you. I can't tell you that I know what you are feeling, because I don't. But I know one who knows. And I recommend that you just hang on to his unchanging hands, because he is the one who can lead you through the darkest path.